This is the media launch of the movie The Achy Breaky Hearts, and we're now here with all the other members of the press waiting for the stars to arrive.
Okay, so Team Chinoy or Team Tisoy?
I don't believe that you should give exes a second chance. So, Team Chinoy is out of the question.
Team Chingay na lang kasi para balance.
Corny mo.
I'm for Team Tisoy.
Team Tisoy. Sige, Team Tisoy. Team Tisoy.
We're going with Ian Veneracion here, character. Yeah.
Okay, guys. A lot of the media, I think, are choosing Team Tisoy.
So si Jody na ang katingin mo, ang huling love team? Sana hindi. Sana dumating yung araw na mami ko naman siya.
What are your favorite scenes from what you've shot in the film?
Ako, personally, gusto ko yung hospital scene. Kailangan nilang abangan yun kasi sobrang kwela.
Ako, I think yung confrontation na alam ko na kung sino siya, tapos may ganong scene kami na nag-end up nagsuntukan pa kami.
I think it would be the same as Jody's, yung hospital scene kasi doon nga kami unang nagkita rin ni Ryan.
How relatable is the character of Shingai to you? Being that she's torn with two guys. Has this ever happened to you? Or
Actually, hindi pa. So, never pa ako napag-agawan. So, parang naisip ko, I really enjoyed playing her character kasi ang lakas makahaba ng hair na pinag-aagawan si Chingay ng characters ni Ryan tsaka ni Frank.
Actually kasi, the end kami dalawa.